goes 151.13. Hi guys, welcome to a video at Manchester Piccadilly. Manchester Piccadilly, Northern Transpennine Express, Transport for Wales, Avanti West Coast, Cross Country, East Midlands Railway, Freight, everything. Leave a like, hit the bell button, subscribe, drop a comment, enjoy. Okay guys, I was here to film the Avanti depart, but it's actually the cross country voyages that are heading out first. Cross country voyages are heading out first. As incomes, we've got a lot incoming. We've got a 397, which is 397009. The Avanti is about to depart any second, and we've got a Transport for Wales HST pulling in. Okay, the Avanti ready to depart. As in comes this. $67,012. As the Avanti should be ready. Off goes the 185. One 117. As now off goes the Avanti. $390,049 on that. It's only a 9 car. Only a 9 car. I might as well do a live stream here and not actually a video, because the clip will never be paused. We've got a 185 coming in, we've got a 156 coming in, and we've got a 323 coming in. The clip will never be paused at this rate. 156, 452. The clip will never be paused the way this video is going. Finally I can pause the clip. Terminating in is an Avanti. We are awaiting the departure of the Mark III, but in comes 323. departure of the 67012 heading to Llandudno. Currently this is why it's really noisy in the station. When this leaves it will go quiet. (82-216). This is a former LNER train that they converted to Transport for Wales. Why wouldn't you? But almost everything is going to be heavy, like the Avanti departure. Mega Avanti departure. Mega. 4 minutes later, after the Avanti on that platform, it gets mega with a cross country to Bournemouth. We've gone from a Mark III 67 to an Avanti to a cross country. 221139. This genuinely is all the heavies. There's a Northern departing, it's not getting filmed. I'm not doing Northerns arriving. Like, this is literally the next departure. Like, I was literally walking down the platform and it was departing, so why would I not film? This is to Alderley Edge. It's gone quite empty now. The only heavy we've got is the Avanti. Off goes 323 205. Someone else thinks we can do a better job of filming that. I'll do Northern departures, never Northern arrivals. Off goes the 1448 to Sheffield. My aim is to catch every Avanti arrival and departure in this vid. This is to Sheffield.
Platform 1 for the 1458 Transpennine Express. Service to York via Wakefield Gate
195 120.
Stay ready.
the Avanti. This is the going to be the 1515. Okay, this is Northern, but technically not Northern. It's Old West Midlands 323. Technically it isn't Northern, but it's still a rare catch. Off goes the East Midlands Railway. To Norwich with an actual East Midlands run on the back, regional. They are not meant to head out this slow. There's, I think, some sort of issue. This is a bit too slow. I think they're around 15. I don't think this is 15. They come in faster than this. I might be wrong. It might just be because I'm like very close up. I'm not used to seeing it. But we have seen two Avantis already on the video to park close, and I know they did not go this fast. Yeah, this is slowing down. This might even stop. Might be two departures. Yeah, this is definitely not the speed it heads out at. This is definitely not the speed. Yeah, this is stopping. This is going to genuinely stop. Yeah, it's at a red light. It's just that stopping. Like crazy stuff, guys. Avanti stopping. Okay, off goes the 323. Got another Avanti coming in. 323237 to Hadfield.
May I have your attention, please? Platform 9, 1506 Northern service to and through has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable.
Right, terminating in from Sheffield. As Did you think, I said I'm not doing Northern Arrivals, but I might as well when we've got a mega cross country to Bristol Temple Meads party. Two, two, 1, 1, 2, 3. Avanti departure coming up in 7 minutes. Every Avanti will be filmed. Off goes the 1510 to Chester. Avanti after this. Transport for Wales class 197 approaching, sorry. Terminating in from Llandudno Junction. Ours 156419 terminates in from Rhodes Hill Marple. Won't say no to a bit of Transport 9 Express. I'm going to Edinburgh next week. Edinburgh, yes, Edinburgh. Making the best video on my channel. It's going to be split into 2 parts because the video will be over an hour. So, because I'm literally there for the whole day. So, 2-part video. Both ends of the station, both everything. 2 parts though. I'm not joking when I say every single Avanti is being filmed. $39005. Ingles Rob 5101 from Buxton. Off goes 1521 to Rhodes Hill Marple. The last 30 minutes of the video is going to be trams. So it's now 1521, I've got until 1620. So we've got another roughly 25 minutes here. Right, so we're on 13 and 14. The rest of the video is going to be here. The Transpennine was a fault with the signalling system. It's all kicking off here. This Transpennine is just sitting here.
Late running 1507 Transpennine Express service.
No, this Transpennine here is very delayed. That's why they're letting it overtake.
13B for Manchester Oxford Road,
This is the 185.
Earlham, Birchwood,
The double Transpennine here.
Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. Any passengers on platform 14 awaiting this service, please kindly cross to the other side.
185 and 102.
Your train is just arriving.
Please go to Manchester Airport. Please follow the red line past the stairs and walk within the yellow lines to platform 13.
watching Deansgate. Like I said on my channel, I did not upload a video with no freight in it. So, there is, even though we're at Piccadilly, there is still from it. Okay, this next service, the Blackpool North one that goes via Bolton, this is the service that everyone on the platform normally waits for, or everyone gets on. What is about to arrive?
The train arriving on platform 14, slightly delayed, 15:33, Northern service to Blackpool North. The service is calling at Manchester Road, Deansgate, Salford Crescent, Bolton, Lost.
This is where it gets mega. With the freight, not with the Blackpool North train, with the freight, sorry. This driver might be, because might have seen me at Bolton this morning. I saw many drivers at Bolton this morning, so I can't picture everyone. Yep, don't rush. There's just casually a freight behind me that I'm waiting to film. Variety is going to London Gateway from Trafford Park. So it only started its journey 20 minutes ago. We've got East Midlands Railway 170s. 66516. I was not expecting a beat. Well, not in a busy place like this. Subscribe after getting
the train arriving on platform 14 for 15:37, Eastern Railway service to Liverpool Line Street. Please stand behind the red line until the train completely stops and allow passengers to leave safely.
You're telling people to stand behind for the East Midlands when there's a freight passing through. What is going on? Honestly. Why are you telling people to stand back for the East Midlands when you've got a freight liner zooming through? Crazy.
It's a busy service, so please take a big step out from the doors. On platform 14 to 15:40.
I'll let her do the announcement.
To Llandudno.
It gives me a rest.
Until the train completely stops.
Because I have to shout.
Passengers to leave safely before you do attempt to board.
I don't even need to tell you what train it is.
15:44, Transport Wheel service to Llandudno by Warrington Banky.
Exactly.
And Chester.
No one knows how busy it actually is on platform 13 at the other end. Because a train to Manchester Airport has not come in the last 45 minutes.
About to depart.
There's a fault with the signalling system, so I'm not sure. It will be absolutely crazy rammed down there on 13. But yeah, 197 should be leaving. 115. This is
15:55 transport for
This is another CAF model.
Manchester Airport.
The newest model.
By approximately 18 minutes.
These are so.
This is due to a late
These sound.
To leave safely.
We've got a dirty double. A full-on dirty double here.
Northern service of
158, 770.
by Bolton, Chorley, Preston, and Lancaster.
This is not going to the airport, so everyone will still be waiting. As the Finestra there comes in, I can be in Manchester and still say Finestra there. Of course, the Finestra there. Saw me this morning over a couple of days ago. That driver was the 12:48 to Rochdale. Was that same driver? Well, for me it's the same day. A few hours ago that driver was driving to Rochdale. Probably obviously from Rochdale. Went to Manchester Airport and then probably drove a few trains from Rochdale and then got on this one. It's definitely the same driver. Or otherwise they wouldn't be. Finally, we've got an airport train coming. This one's actually only 5 minutes delayed. This has come from via Bolton as well. That sounds very smooth compared to a lot of the other cabs I see at Bolton.
Three coaches. Platform 13 of the 50 Manchester Airport.
I'll let the lady do the announcement. I'm not going to do it. Oh yeah, the one time I don't do it, she doesn't do it as well. Funny. That is 3970 set on the delayed 1528 to Manchester Airport. Right, a lot of people are waiting for this. A lot of people are waiting for this. We've got a
The
cab
train
coming
arriving
in.
on platform 14 to 1554, Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street. Please stand behind a red line until the train completely stops and allow passengers to leave safely
32339.
before you do attempt to board. This is slightly delayed, 1554, Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street. This is the 1554, Northern service.
195117 to Manchester Airport. 323239.
Northern service to Blackpool North. Please stand behind a red line until the train completely stops.
Everyone is
and
waiting
allow
for this.
passengers to leave safely before you do attempt to board.
This goes to Bolton.
It's 1602, Northern service to Blackpool North by Bolton and Preston. We do have a 6 coast service, so please spread out and use all available doors.
Echo 331 at 101. 104, sorry.
55 service to Manchester Airport. Delayed by approximately 20 minutes. This is due to be late on the train being in front of this. This train is currently between Newton Hookers and Eccles.
Please stand behind the red line, the train is about to depart.
Off goes the cab. I think everything's running smoothly now to schedule, which is nice to see. On the rear.
passengers to
This is the 1607 to Liverpool Lime Street. 2 minutes away.
1607, Transport Express service Liverpool Lime Street, by Warrington Central. As you can see, it's quite a busy service. Please take a big step back from the doors.
It's not a busy service because everyone's by the doors. Off goes the 6 car 185 to Liverpool Lime Street. Five 132 on that. Okay guys, that is going to be it for today from Manchester Piccadilly. Leave a like and watch it up. Leave a like rating, hit the bell button, subscribe, drop a comment, all the good stuff. See you next time. Yaboosh from me and from Piccadilly. See you next time.